Hello, Corey. My name is Jake Dunham, and I work in the Career Services office. Today, I'm going to be going over your resume with you. All right, so I have your resume pulled up. So let's just kind of go over the information that you have on here. The first thing that I would probably do is I would make sure that there's not a space between your address and everything. In fact, I would probably even bring that up here, so it's a little easier to read. You got your education first, which is really good because that's the first thing that needs to be there. I would switch Southern Arkansas University and the degree. You have the town and state, which is good. What I would do though is I'd move this 2024 over here, and you actually would need to say expected, and then, for example, if it was going to be May 2024, you would have expected May 2024 so that they would know when you were going to graduate, and then once you graduate, you would change that to just May 2024. I would probably change this to work experience, not relative experience. And then I would put the online grocery pickup and delivery under Walmart, and I would put here beside Walmart which town and state you worked in. And then over here to the right, I would put the months that you worked. So say you worked May 2020 to June 2021, I would put that. Or if you're still presently working there, you can put whenever you started, say May 2020 dash present, so that they know that you're still currently working there. For this first bullet, I would probably take out the this last part. I would probably just put provide customer service there. Skills look good. I'm not sure, you said you have proficient in Excel and Word and SP. It says here, so I believe you probably would want to put proficient in managing data as well, so that that is consistent. Relevant coursework, I would probably do that in a bullet point. If you have any leader positions on campus, or if you're in any organizations, you may want to add that down at the bottom. Or if you do any sort of volunteer work, you may want to add that. Other than that, looks good. And if you'll just make those couple of suggestions that I made, and everything else will be good. Thank you.